Today I will tell you about coughing. We cough when our epiglottis closes, when a bacteria or irritant is in our throat. This causes pressure to build in our lungs, and finally it opens, and we do this, getting the irritant out of the trachea through our mouth. Now you may be wondering, how is the respiratory system in our mouth even though there's a esophagus here? Well, the esophagus is a thin pipe in our throat, while the trachea is a little big pipe in our throat. When we breathe through the nasal cavity or mouth, in the side is the trachea, and from both the mouth and nose, the air can go in. And when we eat like this, and the food crashes into the upper door and goes side into the esophagus. Now, if we eat too quickly, the food can roll into our trachea, which is a very dangerous thing we call choking. And if the food gets stuck and no one arrives on time, it can be fatal. So, to remove the foreign object, we should press over our belly button, or should do on a chair like this. Here, the pressure can build up, and the thing will come out. Remember to not to eat too quickly or talk while eating. That's the most common cause of choking. Thank you.